Hello everyone, this is Hernan. Today I want to share with you a sunny day in Vancouver. You can see how beautiful it is behind me. And I'm going to turn my camera around to share the view that I am so lucky to work with every single day. So that over there across is North Vancouver. I am right here in downtown Vancouver. This is my home office. And this is the view that I have. It's not 360 degrees, but it's pretty nice. And over here, there you go. That's the Legacy Diploma, my executive director recognition. Again, view of the office. I love it. I'm very thankful. And now let's walk around. Sorry if it's a little messy. Right there is the little bed for my doggie. She also has one at the office because she's working with me all the time. At this time, normally I am home alone because Asi is at her business, at her spa business. We can see there is beautiful snow in the mountains. We still need more snow in Vancouver, but it's getting there. And so this is the view, and this is where I get inspired. Watching the seaplanes land over there. Sometimes we see the cruise ships, mega yachts. Over there is Stanley Park. Let me show you over here. You know, I make a few videos for all of you. And of course the barbecue, we have to have some barbecue all year round. And so this is the view that we have. And I wish you all a great day.